Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to do quick quotes. Quick quotes are usually done if the customer wants a quote without leaving any details. So I am currently in the quotes page, and in order to view the list of all existing quick quotes, let's go to all quick quotes. So in here, we have two ways to create quick quotes easily. First, simply press quick quote under quick actions and you will be routed to a fresh quote. You can also click the quick quote button under this page. So after clicking that, you will be redirected to a new page. So on that section, a note will flash at the top indicating that it is saved in the quick quotes page. This is no different from the usual coding in the system. The only difference here is that no customer information is available. So let's add some products to show you what I mean. Click on the Add Window or Room to create new windows, then select Create. So I'm going to put in some window details here. Then I'm just going to clone the window so I can easily change the window name. So once done, just save it. Then select the products by going through each window and then click the plus button. In this drop-down here, we have the list of brands or suppliers that are activated on your account. Just locate the ones you need, then select the category, and of course the product. Once done, click Save. So once saved, you can see the product under this window. Since no selections have been made yet, you may want to click this product, then fill up all the options needed, especially the ones with the asterisk, as they are mandatory. Once you're set, don't forget to click Update and Save Product Options. Let's say the customer wants the same product on the next window, which is the Roman blinds. What we're going to do is just copy this one by clicking this button, then press Products. Next thing to do here is choose the products you want to copy, which is Roman blind. Then put a check mark on the window you want to paste it to. Then save. So after copying them, you will see a tag here saying that options are not opened. To remove this, simply click on the product just like this. You can also apply some changes on the options, but again, don't forget to click Update and Save Product Options to apply the changes. Then select the products to price the whole quote. This is how you do it. Just check them accordingly. At the bottom of the page, you will see the total price and a note that quick quotes can be converted to an order, unless you update the quote's customer details. Now let's say your customer decided to push through with the details needed. All you need to do is go to the top and go across the second tab to view customer information. Click this yellow button here and a new pop-up will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. Don't forget to fill in all mandatory fields. Then let's go to the contact information to put in the rest of the details. Then click on Save. Once it loads, it would now be removed from the list of quick quotes and you can also convert it to an order. So this is now our newly created quote, and of course, with all the windows and products we've created as well. To confirm, you can go back to the quotes page, and the quote should now reflect under all quotes, which is this one. So that's it for now. You can check out our other videos to know more about coding.